Hi children, in the previous video I explained about accounting treatment of goodwill and how many journal entries are there also I explained. In this video I am going to explain with examples. Okay. Adil and Bhavish are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. Their capitals were 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So here Adil and Bhavish are old partners. Their old ratio is 5:3 and their capitals are 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs. And Chetan has admitted as a new partner for 1/5 share. So here Chetan is a new partner and his share is 1/5. Show the goodwill treatment for under the following cases. So how the goodwill will appear in the following cases I am going to explain. Listen carefully. First one, goodwill appearing in the books of accounts is 1,60,000. So here goodwill appearing in the books, it means when at the time of admission of a new partner, the previous year they have prepared old balance sheet. So this goodwill amount will appear in the asset side. It means it is earned by the old partners. So entirely it should be written off to old partners in their old ratio. Okay. So listen to the first journal entry. Adil's capital account data, Bhavish capital account data to goodwill account. So that 1,60,000 we have to distribute in their old ratio 5:3. Okay. So we have to write the narration also. Being existing goodwill written off to old partners in their old ratio. So in this way we have to pass a journal entry for existing goodwill. Okay. Next, second one, goodwill is paid privately by Chetan to Adil and Bhavish. It means new partner brought goodwill and he paid goodwill amount to old partners out of the business. It means privately he paid. So we will not pass any journal entry. So we have to just write no entry. Okay. Next, third case is Chetan contributed cash of rupees 2 lakhs towards his capital and rupees 8,000 as his share of goodwill. So here Chetan brought 2 lakhs as a share of capital and 8,000 is a share of goodwill. So how to pass entry? Listen the entry. Cash account data to Chetan's capital account to premium for goodwill account. So credit side we have to write 2 lakh and 8,000 and debit side we have to add together and write 2 lakh 8,000. Now this premium for goodwill account we have to distribute in their sacrificing ratio to old partners. So second entry is premium for goodwill account data to Adil's capital account to Bhavish capital account. So Adil's share is 5,000 and Bhavish share is 3,000. Now this 8,000 we have to distribute in their sacrificing ratio. Actually sacrificing ratio we have to calculate using the formula old ratio minus new ratio. But in this problem there is no new profit sharing ratio separately given. So we can take old ratio itself as a sacrificing ratio. I have given you note also. Just go through it. Okay. Fourth case is Chetan brought land rupees 80,000, building rupees 50,000, computer rupees 30,000 as a share of goodwill. Here he didn't bring any cash. He brought only the assets. When he brought assets also, we have to treat it as a goodwill and it should be distributed to old partners. So how to pass journal entry for this case? Let us see. Land account data, building account data, computer account data to premium for goodwill account. So we have to write all the amount, that is 80,000, 50,000 and 30,000 and add together. Credit side write 1,60,000. Okay. Now this premium for goodwill amount we have to distribute to old partners in their sacrificing ratio 5:3. So second entry is premium for goodwill account data to Adil's capital account to Bhavish capital account. 1,60,000 we have to distribute in 5:3 ratio. So Adil will get 1 lakh and Bhavish will get 60,000. I told you old ratio can be treated as sacrificing ratio. Next case, Chetan brought rupees 8,000 as a share of goodwill. Adil and Bhavish had withdrawn the entire goodwill brought in by Chetan. Now new partners share of goodwill will be withdrawn by old partners. So how to pass journal entry? First to bring in amount of goodwill we have to write. So that entry is cash account data to premium for goodwill account. Debit side 8,000, credit side 8,000. Now this 8,000 amount we have to distribute to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So second entry is premium for goodwill account data to Adil's capital account to Bhavish capital account. 8,000 amount we have to distribute in their 5:3 ratio. So Adil will get 5,000 and Bhavish will get 3,000. Now this premium for goodwill amount which we have distributed to old partners will be withdrawn by the same old partner. So how to pass entry? Look at the third entry. Adil's capital account data, Bhavish capital account data to cash account. So they are withdrawing the whole amount. So we are writing the same amount 5,000 and 3,000 debit side, and credit side 8,000. So if suppose they have withdrawn half of the amount, means instead of 5,000 we will write 2,500, and instead of 3,000 we will write 1,500. So in such a way we have to record entry for withdrawing amount, and here also sacrificing ratio is old ratio only. Sixth case, goodwill of the firm is valued at 1,20,000 at the time of Chetan's admission. Chetan is able to contribute only 8,000 as a part of his share of goodwill. So here he has to bring the whole amount of goodwill, but he is bringing only 8,000. First we have to calculate how much he has to bring his share of goodwill. Listen the workings. Right side I have given you 1,20,000 into 1/5 ratio. It will be 24,000. So he has to bring 24,000 as a share of goodwill, but he is bringing only 8,000. So remaining 16,000 he is unable to bring his share of goodwill. So how to pass journal entry in such a case? Okay, listen the first journal entry. Cash account debtor to premium for goodwill account. So 8,000, he brought only 8,000. So we are passing the entry for only 8,000, debit side and credit side. Next, second entry, premium for goodwill account 8,000, Chetan's capital account 16,000, to Adil's capital account 15,000, and to Bhavish capital account 9,000. The first amount 8,000, that is premium for goodwill account 8,000, we have to distribute to old partners in their sacrificing ratio, and the share of goodwill which he is unable to bring 16,000, that also should be distributed to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So add debit side amount 8,000 and 16,000, we will get 24,000, and that should be distributed to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So Adil will get 15,000 and Bhavish will get 9,000. So in this way we have to pass the journal entry when he brings a share of goodwill as a part, and when he is unable to bring his share of goodwill. Got it? Next, seventh case is goodwill of the firm is valued at 1,20,000 at the time of admission of Chetan. Chetan is unable to contribute his entire share of goodwill. It means in the previous one he has brought only his part of goodwill, but in this case he did not bring any share of goodwill. So how to find out the goodwill value? Listen the workings. 1,20,000 is the goodwill of the firm, into his share is 1/5. So he is supposed to bring 24,000. Now this entire 24,000 he could not bring. So how to pass a journal entry? Listen the entry. Chetan's capital account data to Adil's capital account to Bhavish capital account. This entire 24,000 we have to distribute in their sacrificing ratio 5:3. So Adil will get 15,000 and Bhavish will get 9,000. So in this way we have to calculate goodwill when new partner is unable to contribute his entire share of goodwill. Okay. Next, eighth topic is hidden goodwill. I told you hidden goodwill is an important topic. In many questions we can see this topic has 1 mark question. Okay. Now I have changed the question little bit. Listen it. Adil and Bhavish are partner sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. Their capitals were rupees 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. It means Adil's capital is 3 lakh and Bhavish capital is 2 lakh. And Chetan is admitted for 1/5 share in the future profits. Chetan brought rupees 2 lakhs as a share of capital and his share of goodwill. So here Chetan brought only 2 lakhs as a share of capital, and his share of goodwill they didn't give in the question. So we have to calculate it. So calculate the goodwill of the firm and Chetan's share of goodwill, and also pass a journal entry. So here using the information we have to calculate the hidden goodwill first. That hidden goodwill itself is the firm's goodwill. From the firm's goodwill we have to calculate Chetan's share of goodwill. Okay. Now listen the first step. Total capital we have to calculate. So total capital formula is new partner's capital into reciprocal of his share. So here Chetan is new partner. So his capital is 2 lakhs and his share is 1/5. So when we take reciprocal it will be 5/1. So total capital will be 10 lakhs. Step 2. Adjusted combined capital we have to calculate. So for that formula is old partner's capital plus new partner's capital. So here old partner's capital is 3 lakh and 2 lakh, and new partner's capital also 2 lakh. So total adjusted combined capital equal to 7 lakhs. Now we have to calculate hidden goodwill. So hidden goodwill formula is total capital minus adjusted combined capital. So total capital equal to 10 lakhs minus adjusted combined capital equal to 7 lakhs. So hidden goodwill equal to 3 lakhs. That hidden goodwill is the firm's goodwill also. Now new partner share of goodwill we have to calculate in step 4. So hidden goodwill into new partner's share. So 3 lakhs into 1 by 5 equal to 60,000. So in this way we have to calculate hidden goodwill amount and new partner share of goodwill. Now we have to pass the journal entry. So first one, cash account data to Chetan's capital to premium for goodwill account. So Chetan's capital is nothing but his capital amount, and the premium for goodwill is a share of goodwill 60,000. So credit side add both and debit side write 2,60,000. Now this premium for goodwill amount we have to distribute to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So second entry, premium for goodwill account data to Adil's capital account to Bhavish capital account. So Adil will get 37,500 and Bhavish will get 22,500. So in such a way we have to calculate hidden goodwill amount. Okay children. So far I had completed goodwill valuation as well as accounting treatment. In the next video we will see the third main adjustment, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Thank you.